Hello guys, Samastanko Namaskar. My name is Chandan Jani and my channel name is Cjspokenenglish. Okay, so every day I practice kariba केमती spoken English टा मैं सिखिबा daily everyday tense sentence then I'm English टा fluently कहि परिबा. Okay, so look at the blackboard carefully. मो केमती translate करूची Odia to English. Okay, so look at the blackboard. मो यहाँ जानी थिले तो I knew it. Okay, मो यहाँ जानी थिले माने I know it. No can or no knew it. I knew it. मो यहाँ हराई थिले तो I lost. Okay, lost it. I lost it. Sorry. I lost it. Okay, I lost it. I lost it. Okay. मो बसी थिले. Okay. मो बसी थिले. I was seated. I was seated. मो बसी थिले. Okay. Look at the blackboard carefully. I was seated. मो बसी थिले. I was seated. केवल थोड़े just once. Just once. Okay, just once. यह सत्य. It's true. Okay, it's true. It's true. T-R-U-E. Okay, it's true. बोलो it's true. It's true. मु यहाँ को भलो पाए. I love it. I love it. Okay, I love it. मु ताको भेटिछि. It means I have met her. Okay, I have met her. Okay, I have met her. मु यहाँ सत्तरे कहूछि. It means I mean it. Okay, I means मु यहाँ सत्तरे कहूछि. I means it. Okay, I mean it. मते एबे जिबाकु पड़िबो. तो देखो मते एबे जिबाकु पड़िबो तो I must live now. I must live now. मते एबे जिबाकु पड़िबो. I must live now. एहा होइछि. It means it's done. Okay, so मु एहा जानी थिले. I knew it. मु एहा हराई थिले. I lost it. मु बसी थिले. I was seated. केवल थोड़े just once. एहा सत्य. It's true. मु एहा भलो पाए. I love it. मु ताको भेटिछि. I have met her. मु एहा सत्तरे कहूछि. I mean it. Okay, I mean it. मते एबे जिबाकु पड़े. I must leave now. It's true. Okay, every day if you practice, हम जदि प्रत्येक दिन practice करबा definitely English टा fluently कहबा. Okay, so blackboard ठीक रे देखो. मु एहा को जानी थिले. I knew it. मु एहा हराई थिले. I lost it. मु बसी थिले. I was seated. केवल थोड़े just once. एहा सत्य. It's true. मु एहा भलो पाए. I love it. मु तांको भेटिछि. I have met her. मु एहा सत्तरे कहूछि. I means it. मते एबे जिबाक पड़ियो. I must leave now. एहा होई गला. It's true. Okay. Okay, so once more I repeat it. Okay, मु एहा जानी थिले. I knew it. मु एहा को हराई थिली. I lost it. ମୁଁ ବସିଥିଲି I was seated କେବଳ ଥରେ just once ବା at once ଏହା ସତ୍ୟ it's true ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ I love it ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଛି I have met her ମୁଁ ଏହା ସତରେ କହୁଛି I mean it I mean sometimes we can when I'm ଯେତେବେଳେ କଥା ହେବା I mean ମାନେ something else okay just so that I mean means ମୁଁ ଏହା ସତରେ କହୁଛି ମତେ ଏବେ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ I must leave now ଏହା ହୋଇଗଲା it's done but ଏହା ହୋଇଗଲା it means ଏହା ସରିଗଲା so it's done okay so once more I am repeating तुम जेमिति repeat करछि मो सहित तुम भी practice करो repeat करो and definitely तुम भी English fluently कहि परबो okay translate video is this also okay मु यहा जानि थिली I knew it कष्ट की small word one word two word नहीं मो कर small okay मु यहा को हराई थिली I lost it मु बसी थिली I was seated केवल थोड़े just once ଏହା ସତ୍ୟ it's true ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ I love it ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଛି I have met her ମୁଁ ଏହା ସତରେ କହୁଛି I mean it okay ମତେ ଏବେ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ I must leave now ଏହା ହୋଇଗଲା it's done okay every day we practice and we can speak English also very fluently okay तुम जदि ग्रुप रे ऐड हेबे चाहछो मो नंबर रे कांटेक्ट करंतो 9827662791 okay so see you next video bye